Morning, kids.
Morning.
Yeah, today we're going to make a video for Daddy for Father's Day.
For Father's Day.
First, do you love Daddy?
Yes, of course.
Okay, very nice. So, for question number 1, what do you enjoy doing with Daddy?
Eating, playing in time zone, and playing.
Carissa?
Eating, going on time. Just the same as Kuya.
Same as Kuya. What makes Daddy happy?
What makes Daddy happy?
Phone.
I don't really
Phone?
know because I see him always laying, always doing the chores, or always using the phone.
Chores? Really?
Yeah, he does chores. He's
Usually
grown up
it's-
too.
Usually it's phone.
What makes Daddy sad?
When his phone was broken by Kuya.
What is Dad really good at?
He's good at magic tricks. He can do this.
And that other one, he's very good at math.
Math?
Yeah.
Oh. What's Daddy's favorite movie?
High School Musical. 1, 2, and 3. I think there's 3. Please correct me, Daddy, if there's 3.
Okay, what's Daddy's favorite thing to do?
He likes to fall.
Use it, lay down and use his phone.
He likes to go out and use his phone and
More.
more.
What is
Those-
Daddy doing to make you laugh?
Those tricks.
Tricks?
And when we can't do it, and we do it.
Tickles!
Yes, tickles. Oh my gosh, yes. Why did I not think of that?
What food does Dad makes the best? You see?
Noodle. Canton. And the order, that's good.
He doesn't cook that, he orders that. I like
It's
his,
still the same.
I like his noodles and canton.
Okay. How old is Daddy?
Oh, shoot.
40!
No, I think it's like 49.
Wow.
He's 40. Kuya, we celebrate his next birthday after that. He's old now. He'll be old now. He'll have crowns.
But he's not. He's 39 then. We haven't celebrated his birthday yet. Is that right? 40?
I don't know.
What?
Okay. What is Daddy's
You're his
favorite?
husband.
I'm the wife. I'm not Daddy's husband. What is Daddy's favorite food?
Oh, shoot. Daddy's favorite food?
Is it barbecue? Is it BBQ or shrimp? BBQ or shrimp? Or order?
Like,
or
order.
What does Daddy usually order?
In
McDonald's and Inasal.
McDonald's, Jollibee, or Inasal?
What is something Daddy always say to you?
Princess. I love you, princess. And I love
Fat
you.
boy.
What makes you proud of Daddy?
He can do awesome magic tricks.
And when
Duh.
his job, I'm proud of him for his job.
Oh, okay. So, what does Dad do for a job?
Does that do for a job?
What is
I'm
Daddy's job?
disappearing.
What's Daddy's job? Mix calls.
What?
Oh no, if it's the computer, just kidding.
Okay, guys, stay there.
Makes calls like your job.
No, that's not correct.
I think he does the.
Typing wordy thing is.
I think he
Where
does.
type is.
I think he
Carissa,
does
your
work.
panty show.
He does work.
You don't know, you're not sure.
Yeah.
Yes.
Lastly, what's your message for Daddy and for Daddy's on Father's
I
Day?
love you with all my heart.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. I love you with all my heart, and we hope you live a long life, and please don't get sick.
Daddy, I love you with all my heart.
And take care of yourself sometimes.
Happy Father's
Sometimes
Day.
only.
I mean, take care of yourself
Always.
always, and keep your house clean. Because sometimes you might not be there.
Oh, okay.
I love you.
Bye,
I love
Daddy.
you. I love you.